Use appropriate safety equipment when maneuvering the fridge into your workspace. Unpack the fridge by guiding a knife along the corners of the packaging. The efficient packaging is easily disassembled. Remove the blue tape from the outside of the fridge. Inside the fridge, you will find the manual as well as the fitting components. Take a moment to read through the manual to make sure you fully understand the installation process. If required for the furniture design, switch around the hinges on the left-hand side with the plastic inserts on the right-hand side. Next, you will need to remove all the shelves from the fridge door. Remove the fridge door screws from the hinges. Now remove the door and place to one side. Remove the bottom right hinge and washer. Remove the plastic cover from the top left of the fridge. Attach the washer. Place the alternate cover onto the top left of the fridge. Now place the hinge onto the two screws and screw into place. Remove the top right hinge and washer. Remove the two top white plastic inserts at the bottom left of the fridge. Now place the two removed inserts into the bottom right of the fridge. Screw the washer and hinge into place at the bottom left of the fridge. Place the large plastic cover over the top right-hand corner of the fridge. Place the door back on the fridge and screw back into the repositioned hinges. Remove the freezer door screws from the hinges. Now remove the freezer door and place to one side. Remove the top right hinge and washer. Remove the two bottom left screws. Place the washer and screw in the hinge at the bottom left of the freezer. Remove the two plastic inserts at the top left of the freezer and screw into the top right. Now remove the bottom right hinge and washer and screw into the top left of the freezer. Attach the two spare screws onto the bottom right of the freezer. Attach the freezer door to the repositioned hinges. Insert the cable through the niche. Carefully maneuver the fridge to the niche entry point. Fully insert the fridge into the niche. Next, you will need the sealing strip. Place into position to measure it. Cut the sealing strip to the desired length. Peel off the adhesive cover. Stick the sealing strip into position on the fridge. Check that the sealant strip is fully in place. Remove the two door brackets. Next, you will need the two green templates. Hang the template on the adjustment screw. Use the green templates to measure the top door position. Now you will need the 4 white plastic spacers provided. Carefully slide the fridge out of the niche a little. Slot into place on top of the 4 hinge points. Next, you will need 2 of the door brackets provided. Place the first bracket into position onto the top door of the fridge on the left-hand side. Fix the bracket into place using the 2 screws provided. Next, place the second bracket into position onto the left-hand side of the bottom door. Fix into position. Push the fridge back into the niche. Open the top fridge door. Take another door bracket and fix into place on the right-hand side of the top door. Close the top door. Next, open the bottom door. Fix the final bracket into position on the bottom right-hand side. Next, you fix the fridge into the niche. Fix the fridge into place by screwing into the fixing points. Next, you will need the white plastic screw cover. Loosen the 2 screws in the bottom right-hand corner. Place the screw cover into position and fully screw into place. Close the screw cover. For the next step, you will move to the worktop. Place the panel on a worktop with a protective blanket underneath to ensure it does not get damaged. Measure and mark the center position of the door. Clip the green template onto the bracket, clip the other green template onto the bracket, and move into position at the top of the door. Mark the first 2 screw points on the bracket. Fix the first 2 screws into position. Remove the 2 green templates. Next, fully fix the bracket into position by fixing the further 8 screws in place. Hang into place on the front of the fridge. Check alignment of the door. If required, adjust the height and level of the fridge door using the 2 adjustment screws located inside the fridge at the top. Now you will need the 2 washers and nuts. Place into position on the adjustment screws. Using the screws provided, fix the door to the fridge brackets on the bottom left-hand side of the top door. Repeat the process for the right-hand side of the door. Using the templates, measure the position of the bottom door. For the next step, you will move to the worktop. Measure and mark the center position of the door. Clip the green template onto the bracket, clip the other green template onto the bracket, and move into position at the top of the door. Mark the first 2 screw points on the bracket. Fix the first 2 screws into position. Remove the 2 green templates. Next, fully fix the bracket into position by fixing the further 8 screws in place. Place into position on the adjustment screws to check alignment of the door. Now you will need the 2 washers and nuts. Using the screws provided, Fix the door to the fridge brackets on the bottom left-hand side of the bottom door. Repeat the process for the right-hand side of the door. Next, you will need 14 of the white plastic covers provided. Clip into place. Now you will need the 2 white plastic top covers. Clip into position on top of the door bracket on the top door and the bottom door. Clean the product. Turn the fridge on. Your installation is now complete and ready for your customer.